which I imbibed knowingly or unknowingly. These amazing traits of a legend who really inspired me. And today, in the 35th year of my musical journey, when I am sitting in front of you all, I attribute major part of it to someone like Sunny, who has inspired me so much that I've been able to face those bouncers and those bumpers and those bloomers all my life and still stay alive, still be around. Today, when I'm launching Khamoshi Ki Awaaz, in the 35th year of my musical journey, it's very obvious that, as Swamini said, that Khamoshi Ki Awaaz, the title, yes, the title itself is indicator of what this album is all about. I have a very dear friend, Salim Bhai, Salim Arif, who's a man from world of literature. There is a couplet by Mumtaz Rashid, Salim Bhai, where Rashid Sahab says that घर छोड़ के भी दिल इसी हैरानियों में है, घर छोड़ के भी दिल इसी हैरानियों में है, शहरों का शोर दश्त की वीरानियों में है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब हम शोर को साथ में लेके चल रहे हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि बोरीवली नेशनल पार्क के जंगल में भी शोर पहुंच गया, तो उस शोर में कहीं जरूरत है कि खामोशी की आवाज को भी ढूंढे, हम कहीं उसको पहचानें कि खामोशी की आवाज क्या हो। और इस एल्बम में मैंने यही कोशिश की है कि उसे आप सुने और कहीं आप ये महसूस करें, कभी कहीं आपको इस बात का एहसास हो कि हाँ, खामोशी की भी आवाज़ होती है। कहीं अकेले आप अपनी गाड़ी में ये सीडी लगा के आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो, तो आपको शायद इस बात का एहसास होगा कि जी सही में कहीं कोई एक ऐसी आवाज़ है, कोई एक ऐसी बात है, कहीं कोई ऐसी मौसीकी है कि जिसमें कहीं सुकून है, कहीं खामोशी है, कहीं खामोशी का एहसास है। और ये मेरी कोशिश रही है इस एल्बम में। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये एल्बम का ये पहलू पसंद आएगा जो मैंने कोशिश की है। और मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा सनी का कि जो आज in between he's really been tied up. I've been talking to him. He was in Ahmedabad last night doing commentary for India-Sri Lanka match. Tomorrow he's off to Hyderabad. In between he's found a window sometime to be with us here today. So Sunny, thank you so much for being here this evening. And he's truly a gentleman, it goes without saying. Thorough gentleman, which is Sunil Gavaskar. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank Phoenix Market City for giving me this opportunity to do something very different at a different venue, because we've been launching albums at venues which are normal, well-known venues, but today we are doing a launch at a mall. But I think it does make a lot of sense that we are doing something which is for a cause. Ramakrishna Mission, who is the hospital, Ramakrishna Cancer Hospital. Tomorrow, I'm doing a live concert here in this mall. So tomorrow, I'd like to thank Divine Solitaire also. Divine Solitaire is a company which specializes in selling solitaires. Divine Solitaire is auctioning a solitaire tomorrow, and all the money from that solitaire will go to Ramakrishna Cancer Hospital. So I think that's a great thing which is happening tomorrow. I would especially like to thank Hangama. Somini is here, Ronak is here, and the whole team is here actually. Hungama is one of our very, very dedicated digital platform which we have. As Swamini said, that over a period of time, we have all realized that today music does not only sell through CDs, music also sells through downloads, sells through net, sells through various different platforms digitally. So, Khamoshi Ki Awaaz is one big venture, which is the beginning, I would say, because we are looking at much bigger things to happen in the year, in the months to come now, for Ghazal especially. That digitally how we can work on spreading Ghazal across the world. So this is the first major tie-up between Hungama and us in terms of distributing, selling Khamoshi Ki Awaaz through digital platforms. So Hungama, thank you so much for being a part of this. I would also like to thank all my friends from the media, and more than that, no doubt, all my wonderful friends from the music world who are here today to bless me, to wish me. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here this evening. And last but not the least, I'd like to thank two very special people. One is Abhinav Upadhyay, who has really worked very hard to put this whole event together. And I may sound a little biased, but my daughter Nayab Udas for really making it possible. Thank you, Nayab. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here this evening. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to Ghazal, I'll tell you, because it's because of you all and because of us that Ghazal has a future. Ghazal is going places today. It's all because of you, and it's all because of your passion, because of your contribution, and because of your participation. So thank you so much once again, and I look forward to a wonderful concert tomorrow. And once again, thank you, Sunny, for being here this evening. Thank you.
At this juncture, we would like to acknowledge and talk about Mr. Aslam Khan, and I'd like to call him onto the dais, in whose studio the album was recorded, and he was assisted by Benvin Fernandez.
Here today. Yeah, they're all here.